Speaking with Deborah Ambrosini this morning, CFO and Company Secretary for Percheron Therapeutics. Deborah, morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good, Deborah. Good to see you and good to meet. Look, firstly, just give us a brief overview of your background prior to joining Percheron.
I'm a chartered accountant and member of the Governance Institute of Australia. Like most young accountants, I started my career in the Big Four, which was with PwC in audit, but I soon discovered my love of all things listed in the listed company space while I was there and directed my career to that path. I've spent the majority of my career in the small cap space in senior finance roles, with the most significant focus on healthcare and pharmaceutical industries. Over the years, I've gained extensive experience in developing finance strategy plans to facilitate growth within companies, and I enjoy working with emerging companies and navigating the challenges they face every day because no 2 days are the same. And I'm really excited to join Percheron at this transformational time.
So what are your key areas of focus since joining Percheron?
My main focus will be maximising operational efficiency within the company. As you know, we're devoting a significant amount of funds to research and development with our phase 2B trial, and it's essential that we ensure that all the funds that we're using are used in the best way possible to get as much as we can for our money. It's important that we have robust processes and procedures in-house to ensure all goals are achieved and we ensure the company is prepared for its potential growth going forward. Another area I'll be looking at is investor relations, and I'll be doing that as I work closely with our CEO, James Garner. We'll look to improve the company profile with existing and new shareholders, including institutional investors. It's a very important area for the company as it's essential that we ensure the market is fully informed of our activities and we progress our work over the coming months.
Deborah, you mentioned earlier about your experience in the small cap space. What do you see as some of the key challenges for a company such as Percheron?
I think, just as I mentioned, shareholder confidence. The work that Percheron is doing is complex, and it's essential our message is clear and understandable to be able to build shareholder interest and confidence. And it's important that we stay active with existing investors and potential investors. Another key area is funding, which is also related to shareholder confidence as well. We need to make sure the funds we have are managed in the best way possible, as I said, to get the most return for the company and its shareholders. And then lastly, I think, is being a smaller company, we have a small team. We do have an amazing team of people who are so committed to achieving great things within Percheron, but we need to make sure that we have everyone directed to the right area to maximise the skills they have to maximise the returns that we achieve as a company.
I suppose just while I've got the opportunity of speaking with the CFO, how's the company's funding position currently?
Well, in our last quarterly activity statement, which was released in April for the period ending 31 March 2024, we had $14.9 million available to us. As I mentioned previously, we are currently going through a phase 2B trial of ATL1102 in the treatment of Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, and we continue to monitor our cash very closely with that trial. But based on current cash forecasts, we're projecting cash runway into calendar year 2025. And as I said, the company is heavily focused on research and development, and we've been entitled to the research and development rebate in the prior years, with just under $1.6 million being received in February this year for financial year 23. And we expect to continue to make use of that excellent scheme as we continue our work going forward this year.
I suppose Percheron is slightly unique in the sense that all directors are physicians. Do you see that as being a strength or a limitation for the business?
Absolutely see that as a strength, and it's probably one of the most attractive things to me about Percheron. The board is made up of a group of people who have more than just technical skills to deal with the requirements of the company and the project. They're all highly engaged and experienced company directors and senior executives, bringing with them significant commercial experience in this area and the industry. So in my opinion, they have an optimal mix of technical and commercial skills combined with dedication and support, which I believe sets Percheron apart from other companies in the industry. I find it really motivating to work with a board that's so committed to achieving the goals of the company.
Good to meet you, Deborah, and looking forward to speaking again soon. Thanks for your time.
Thanks very much. Thank you.